Today I'm doing a Let's Play on Red Ball. Yes, that game. This game played, and it struck a huge France, which I all have access to, which I have not played yet. So I'm going to be trying to play Red Ball, and I can already tell it has awesome. It already has awesome music. I use the WASD keys. Use W to jump. This is a level goal, since simple enough. Wow, this music's loud. Use P to restart. R to restart. Use P to pause. Press escape to quit. Checkpoint. Leap of faith. Dong. Three lifts and thorns. That was a failure. And I broke up into tinier little ball babies. Apparently this dude was pregnant. Dang it. I see its danger. Jump! I'm thinking about doing Mario Kart. Currently I am a horn. Yeah, I am looking, so I am, Jester Games, and I have, and I have died. And I am thinking about playing slot games on my channel because, you know, I have recording equipment. Jeez, this is lagging! Go kill yourself. Miserable excuse of Pac-Man. Hold on a second. We'll fix it. Nope. Oh well. I'm a horn. And I'm trying to get over here. No! Die. I die a lot. This is awesome music. I really like it. So I'm planning to finish Red Ball 1, then move on to Red Ball, and then I think, like, I don't even know what the latest installment is. It's like Red Ball 4 Act 2 or something. Axes. I don't like axes. I don't like axes. Oh my! I don't want to mess with the axe, you. Oh, poo. Don't get squished. Don't get squished like a bug. How? I didn't get squished. One word. Blame the pigeons. That's who the blame is, the pigeons. Really, what is with this music? A question mark. Questioning its existence. What happened? Don't tell me my game crashed. Okay, good. Whee! Axes! No, what? 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 Okay, now I'm gonna have to jump really fast. No. Lovely. Smiley face, just to celebrate the occasion of my death. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. There you go. Press the button to destroy a wall. Die. Well, I was hoping for a shattering effect. That would be much more satisfying. Whee! Ah. Die. Something tells me as this game progresses, I'm going to get stuck. A lot. Destroy this. And then... Ah, gosh. Dang it. This is gonna take me a while. I'm looking into getting a capture card. So soon, maybe like Terraria videos could be coming out. Well, high quality Terraria videos. Whoop. No. Oh yeah, this is like the skateboarding. This is how pros do it. Yes, these are like the best tricks. Yep, that's how a pro does it. Don't question it, that's how a pro does it. Oh, not gonna make it, not gonna make it, not gonna make it. Go back! No. No. I'm horrible at this. Just horrible. No. Go back. I make a lot of strange noises. Get onto there. Now jump, 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 jump. Oh no, don't tell me these are falling platforms. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me that. Yep, they are. This guy kind of looks like a bad ripoff of Pac-Man. Oh great, no! Nice! Yay! Checkpoint, lovely. Oh great, these are spinning the exact stinking wrong direction. Alright, get over here. Ah! Nice! Nice! Come on, I can only settle for LPG. Nah, MLG, I mean, LPG. Yay! Box bridge. Box bridge! Okay, so here's this swingy guy. Swingy, swingy, swingy. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Swingy, swingy, swingy. Swingy, swingy, swingy. Swingy, swingy. No! Gosh dang it. Box bridge. I could swear I hit a checkpoint. Checkpoint. Point. Poink. I hit a checkpoint. What do you think? You guys in the comments, tell me what's a poink. And whichever I like the best, I'm going to mention in the next video. And if the comments doesn't get a next video, that's typical. What is a poink? A poink, get a poink, get a poink, poink, poink. Is it kind of like a mentally wrong pig? Like there's some, he's pretty off in the head. He says his poink. He doesn't say oink anymore. He just says poink. That's what a poink is. I'm pretty sure. Poink, poink. Get the poink. No, 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 no. Don't. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm done with this game now. Okay, video. Right. Like, Jester Games, signing out. Goodbye.